Hi there, I'm Johann and welcome to this very special family escape where space, serenity and nature come together on approximately 1 magnificent acre in the sought-after Timberlands Estate. Tucked away in a peaceful cul-de-sac, the sublime 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home offers the freedom to spread out, surrounded by leafy greenery, birdsong and visiting local wildlife. Inside, generous living zones cater for every occasion, complemented by a versatile study, a beautifully appointed kitchen and superb separation between the spacious master, guest suite and remaining family bedrooms. But it's the entertaining that really sets this property apart, with a huge indoor heated saltwater swimming pool, kitchenette and bar, and an expansive alfresco area, including a bubbling gas heated spa deck designed for year-round enjoyment. Outside, sprawling lawns give the kids and pets all the room they could ever want, with a playground, sandpit, shaded courtyards and even an animal coop, adding to the lifestyle appeal. For tradies, adventurers and those with plenty of toys, extensive secure parking, a powered triple carport, huge boat shed or workshop and an additional lock-up garage ensure absolutely nothing gets left behind. And despite feeling a world away from it all, lush parklands, Lake Joondalup Preserve, excellent schools, shopping and freeway access remain wonderfully close by. This type of freedom for your family is genuinely hard to find, especially in a spectacular location like this.